welcome to We Love Orchids.
Welcome back.
And today we have another unboxing video. And this box came from
Yoshi at Orchids by the Lake.
Orchids by the Lake. So today I have this brand new utility knife that my wife gave me for Father's Day. So I'm going to be trying it out for the very first time. Thank you, babe, for that wonderful gift.
You're welcome. Something simple but with love.
It came in handy because we can't find the original box cover.
As usual.
So I'm going to place that here. Okay, babe. You ready?
Yep. I am ready.
Okay, you
So
take that.
there should be 3 orchids. One of them is a challenge orchids because it got cold damage, I believe. So let's see if they'll do okay.
That's it.
That's it. Okay.
Okay, great.
So let's do these. This is the challenge orchid. So let's leave that for the end.
All right. I'm going to carefully open this. This thing is super sharp. I don't want to cut any of the leaves.
And Yoshi always does a great job packaging. Thank you, Yoshi.
Okay.
Okay.
There we go. Let me take some of these. This one's loose, so be careful.
Yeah.
All right.
This one has fat leaves.
Here's the label.
So this is
Wait, you put that on really good.
yeah. So this one is the Foul Mutual Sun Owl or AL. It has a little bit of damage. I think this one also had a little bit of cold damage, but she looks okay. As you can see there, her roots look pretty good. I have to soak her a bit, so hopefully you can see that. Okay, hopefully she's a survivor. And the next one,
That sounds like a sequential.
this is a Phalaenopsis Violacea Indigo. Yes, it's a sequential bloomer.
Yay, I love sequential phalaenopsis.
Summer bloomers. Yes, this was a special order that I asked Yoshi. Oh, this one's nice and
Look at that.
drenched. This one looks really good. It has a new leaf growing now. There's a root there. These are the baby leaves. So this is from seedling. And the roots look good. I have to change it later on, but I'll let it acclimate first to my environment. I don't want to shock it because it's probably gone through a lot of hands. So she looks pretty good. And the final one, this is the challenge orchid. Dun, 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 dun.
Now, what do you mean by challenge?
Well, Yoshi's not sure if they'll survive because of the cold damage, so, you know, at least I did not pay anything for this. I just paid shipping. And we just want to try because we love orchids and we don't want them to perish. So there's one leaf to go, but luckily it's just the baby leaf. So it's, the roots don't look so bad. She has some cold damage there. It's like sunken in and stuff. So this one also I'll have to change the medium soon, but not right away. And let's see. And this one I'll definitely put challenge orchid on it so that we could do an update. If it passes away, I'll definitely videotape it and let you guys have another video on this one. Okay, so let's hope all of these survive.
So there's actually 1, 2, 3 phalaenopsis.
Yep, and they're all novelties.
That one up. Alright, so here we go. Thank you, Yoshi.
Thank you, Yoshi.
And thank you for watching another one of our videos. And remember that we love orchids and you should love orchids also.
You better. And remember, I'm Ileana and he's Edwin.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye.
June 26th. Challenge orchid. I don't know, but the leaf is turning yellow. It still has moisture inside. I don't want to overdo it with the water, but hopefully it'll do something because the crown looks bad. I just hope the stem is not messed up, because if the stem is messed up, that's it. Let's see, little Baby, you can do it.